afraid. It's time for the continents parade. 7 lands, both big and small. Let's meet the continents, one and all. I'm Asia, biggest land so wide, with tigers and pandas side by side. Tall Mount Everest touches the sky. From snowy peaks the eagles fly. I'm Africa, warm and bright, with lions roaring day and night. Elephants march on golden ground. In jungles monkeys leap around. I'm Europe, full of tales to say, with castles, trains, and fields of hay. The Eiffel Tower reaches high, and snow falls softly from the sky. I'm North America, strong and free, with mountains tall and big blue sea. From Canada's snow to deserts wide, the eagle soars with gentle pride. I'm South America, green and loud, rainforests wrap me like a cloud. Colorful parrots dance and play by waterfalls that splash all day. I'm Australia, land so wide, with kangaroos who love to ride. Koalas nap up in the tree, and coral reefs shine under the sea. I'm Antarctica, icy and bright, with penguins waddling day and night. Cold winds blow where snowflakes stay. I sparkle white the whole day. 7 lands from sea to sea, each one special just like me. From warm to cold, from big to small, we're